Hi, fourth graders. We're going to talk about division, and it has zeros in our three-digit answer, okay? So let's take a look at what I mean by that, all right? All right, I've got a number here, and I started with a pretty easy one. 2100 divided by 3, okay? So we know that when we divide, the first thing we do is divide, then we multiply, we subtract, and we bring down, and we start over again, okay? So we're going to follow those steps. So, remember, we always look at one digit at a time. Does 3 go into 2? No, so I put a 0 up there because I know it's not going in there. And it's going to help you know when you're done. It's going to help you know right answer if you fill in right above the number you're working on. Okay? So, it didn't go in there, so I add another number here. Now, does 3 go into 21? Yes, it does. It goes in 7 times. And the last number I'm working with is 1, so I'm putting my 7 over my 1. 3 times 7? 21. Subtract. 0. I'm not done because I still have numbers here. I need to bring them down. I bring down a 0. Does 3 go into 0? Nope. So I don't need to put anything? Wrong. You're right. We do have to put something. 3 does not go into 0. So if it doesn't go in there, I put a 0 above this 0 that I'm working with. Okay? 0 times 3 is 0. I subtract. I get 0. I'm not done. I need to bring my last 0 down. Okay? Does 3 go into 0? No. So again, I put a 0 up there so I know that I put the answer to that there. Okay? Now I could check my work, couldn't I? I could take my answer times 3 and I should get this in here. Okay, so 700 times 3, 0, 0, 21. I got it. Had I not filled these, taken 3, got this. You make sure and put zeros in if it doesn't go into that number. So let's try another one. 412 divided by 4. Okay, so again, I'm going to look at that first place. Does 4 go into 4? Yes, it does. It goes in 1 time. 4 times 1. Subtract, I get 0. I'm not done because I still have numbers over here. So I bring the next number down. 1. Now I'm ready to ask myself, does 4 go into 1? Have to put? Yes, I put a 0 over that 1 where I was working. Okay, 4 times 0, 0, subtract 1, bring my next number down. Does 4 go into 12? Yes, it does, 3 times. 4 times 3 is 12, 0, nothing left to bring down, so I don't have a remainder on this one. All right, let's try one more. Okay. 1,520 divided by 5. All right, so I start with my first number. Will 5 go into 1? No, so I put a 0 there. Okay, so I pull in another number. Will 5 go into 15? Yes, it goes 3 times. 3 times 5? 15. Subtract, I get 0. I'm not done. I still have numbers left, so I bring one down. And I'm ready to divide. Does 5 go into 2? No. So I must put my 0 up there. 5 times 0? 0. I subtract. Okay, I'm not done though. I got to bring that 0 down. Will 5 go into 20? Yes, it will. 4 times. 5 times 4? 20. Subtract. 0. Nothing left to bring down. No remainder. Okay, now my problems came out to no remainder, okay, but you could have remainders in your number. The important part is not the remainders today. Yes, you need to have your remainders if there is one. My point today was make sure you put in zeros. If our number does not divide into that number, we have to hold that place with a 0, okay? Okay, fourth graders, that's all they mean on your worksheet that says division with zeros and a 3-digit answer. Make sure you put in zeros. If the number doesn't go into it, You have to put a 0 up there in your answer. Go on from there. Okay? See you tomorrow.